We dey salute una for outside the country people dem. Tori for this afternoon with strong number dem. We go talk chapter dem for fire wey dey pass for inside Douala this weekend. Bepanda, fire be cast for day. Even quarter wey dey call am say Dumayo. Modern market na the place that wey some Binet place a catch fire. Market too for that side so for Marwa wey dey call am Marché Abattoir. Fire SSB be show you what face for day this weekend. We go take una return on top all that chapter dem. Na so too go carry una tell as we sote now with the weight official book wey comot from PSS Mancon wey na for day wey fire be cash on Friday and Saturday. Sabi say plenty dormitory dem burn inside this fire wey cash, and army rescue the motor too wey be the go for go lost fire. E stop for road after we bullet e touch e engine. So just now army rescue people dem too for inside Bamenda motor e no dey for go lost fire. If they hear say fire e dey catch for some side. Na so too on top all this cry dem wey dey happen, ma for them and Queen Mami dem all dem be there for outside on Sunday inside Bamenda for talk say they don't tire for the people that they so die. Fire wey dey so burn for school dem they be make small waka inside Bamenda for Sunday. Chapter for Corona, how the thing dey waka inside the whole world and even for we country. Sabi say Minister Dr. Manauda Malashi, he don't talk say plenty people that die 7 inside 1 week and place them like Douala, Littoral Region, Center and North. Now they zone them that where the corona it over the plenty for inside. As so Dr. Manauda Malashi, he talk am for we. Newspaper them day as so Sabi and number 2 day for number 3 day for African Nations Championship for Group B. It go happen too this evening time. Sabi say for side for Yaoundé, Democratic Republic of Congo, it go to meet up Niger, and for inside Japoma we get Libya where it go to play with Congo. All this one them so plus newspaper them we go talk for now. Big part talk for this afternoon. It tell we say fish where it fall on top sansan, fresh fish where it fall on top sansan, it no fit come out where it skin sansan no dey on top. Say fresh fish where it fall on top sansan, it must to come out with sansan on top his skin. Primus Kande aka Prikan na send me big patok from Kumba. We return back small time. Salute again country, we glad say we don't see una again. Chapter 2 for Tori for inside Equinox Tori House. Weekend way pass, fire to be there, no be na say fire no be show hate. Inside Douala here, quarter way they call am say Bepanda country people them. Army rescue people for Commander Kadri Abdiel, they no be there for on top rest. Even as we be there weekend, now some apartment house for side so for Bepanda way be catch fire. This weekend will just finish am and we hear say more than 1 room house e burn. All thing that will be there inside the house, all thing e burn. Army rescue people they only gonna for go lost the fire for broke am for say make e no enter for inside different people them own compound. According to Tori wey enter we hear cause for fire and no fit talk. Na so too army rescue people they no sabi, but plenty cargo them dey where they burn for sika this fire wey cash inside Bepanda this weekend. As we Tori enter for we hear property them all born and it make away the people them they go here for start from zero for start for C wait till they go do they get for start B house, then they continue for see whether they feel buy cargo them. No person it no get caught for day Dumayo now the quarter I name that inside Marwa for that side too. Fire it be cash for some place where they call them say modern market. Yes, now for inside Dumayo for place where they call them say modern market where the here for that side now some tree where it turn up for roads where current it pass for his skin where it start for catch fire. And if army rescue people they know for reach there quick for lost that fire on top that tree, if for start for enter now for people them house for that side so where they call them Dumayo now for inside Marwa for modern market as we Tori enter for we here as so sabi it show say now the current where it pass for on top that tree where it provoke the fire where it start for cash for that stick them where it dey for corner road. So army rescue become quick for can lost fire before he enter inside people them house. inside market where they call a marché abattoir. So for Marua side Sunday as we to enter for we here some one binet place a born complete inside the market where they call them say marché abattoir for that side. So for Marua, so na see army rescue people them too for Marua, they be there for outside for Sunday for lost the fire. All the binet place is born to know nothing as so na PC and self for that photo way in the past so for tele and just for sabi cause for this fire army rescue people they never sabi but they tell we say money where it don't lost in terms of the cargo them where it born for inside that binet money place now plenty money where before it go one turn up again for a food it must to do it in it must to don't she done again fine it checks and so all it binet place it born we yes in a one binet place it born inside that place where they call them say place where they call them marché abattoir for inside Marua. On top chapter for fire, but this one a fire for different level. We fit put and so now for inside PSS Mancon, Presbyterian Secondary School Mancon. Inside the weekend, it be then a war weekend for school picking them where they did for inside this college for site for Mancon. 2 times we fire cash inside their school compound. The first one as we to re-enter for we here. A cash na day way they call them say Saturday, yes, now Saturday breaking Friday breaking Saturday with this fire a cash. The first one as we to re-enter for we here and the second fire a cash for day for Saturday breaking Sunday and that one now for boys and girls dormitory as we to re-enter for we here. Certain now we never fit for confirm who them put the fire, but they suspecting that people them get hand for this other fire where it catch for inside PSS Mancon, and we never fit forget to official book where it come out for PSS Mancon principal or maybe the other people them where they go tell you exactly. Sabi say mommy then say for picking they be come for can't take their picking them go for house after the first fire. Principal and school people then deny say picking the day fine, but the other fire where it catch again on Saturday it caused plenty confusion as so talk. Army rescue people them for Bamenda just now. They need a motor after where the other motor they take and go intervention. Bullets is spoil the engine. Just now after that first fire where cash will be fit for talk for senior warrant officer Taku Paul where he loot the intervention people them for army rescue for Bamenda. Nothing this way he get up for talk for Vitorin Gondere Mbu Stella for Bamenda.
Wherever you will see fire, the intensity of the fire may be too high. So the first thing we get to do, with the panics where they are around, with the school picking them, we get to limit the propagation of the fire because picking them, they shout, there are things every day inside. So we get to limit the fire, maybe go for the other dormitory then. So now what you will do. The other thing I've talked now say, in case of any fire breakout or any fire incident, make the population the first call 118 and immediately we will come. You see like this situation will just happen some few minutes back or few hours back. They call we promptly and we arrive, we'll do best same will limit the fire not take all the dormitories. So I still talk on the population of Bamenda and say if fire there or any situation, call 118 will always be available so that we'll come and then we'll see what we do for stop.
Senior Warrant Officer Taku Paul, headman for Army Rescue people them for intervention inside Bamenda. And just now, Sabi Seb say as we fire be the finish PSS Mancon. Now so two people them for Bamenda cry some kind of by force cry for that side. So for T Junction as we to re-enter for we ear. 4 picking them as we to re-enter for we ear them 4. Then 3 way they so they mistake them for big boy the way they whole gone as we they see all the 4 young boy them so now for T Junction inside Bamenda as we to re-enter for we EM where this one he pass this weekend them 4 they kill them inside Bamenda where they shoot them mistake them say they been a boy them where they the whole gun for inside Bamenda after we plenty shooting it be happen inside Bamenda. Some people that don't talk say if it be now for Sika they shoot away be the pass of Bamenda where you make them press yourself it be there on top of people there they shoot them and so too they try for talk say them 4 where they kill them now civilian them no be na boy them where they even hold gun but not just for Sika say they meet up them for the kind of place where they be meet up them for the time. So 4 boys them die innocently inside Bamenda for T Junction this weekend and the burning the killing, all that one them so it provoke Ma for them and Queen Mami them, or they be there outside for that side. So for Commercial Avenue inside Bamenda on Sunday, country people them, they become for come meet up for talk say waiting. This kind of thing where they also keep their own picking them. They don't tire. Number 24 day inside this very moon, Mami them be come out for outside for that side. So for Commercial Avenue for talk say waiting. Make this a thing it end. Sabi say no be na the first time we ma for them and Queen Mami they come out for outside when it concern this problem for Southwest and Northwest. They don't come out plenty time, but as well they come out, now so some kind of watching them, that is also continue for happen. So their own cry now for say make the thing, it finish and make them say they get peace inside Bamenda as we to enter for we ear. Now, make we try for see some of the strong talk the way the Mami they come out and for outside. Sabi say they no be come out with the empty hand them, they be come out with small thing the way they so they call na from Gomna. Say Gomna, make una try for see am Gabu, Kumba, Moyoka, they no want time again. They want talk na for on top table, no be na for inside bush. They say they are picking them set up their own school, their education set up, picking the get right for go school. They say the one now waiting, the one now only Papa God. They no one devil. They no one devil at all. Picking them, they get right for go school. So Mami them walk out for road with this thing for inside Bamenda. Every day now for Sunday country people them and this waka. They come now after way 2 dormitory them for inside PSS Mancon. A born and 4 picking them. Die some kind of war die inside T Junction for place where they call them Bamenda. And just now some school today for side from Gaundere. Where we go show now, make we enter for this government primary school Mbidu. Yes, government primary school Mbidu. École publique de Mbidu. Now the school that one at the CM so. Now the chair them that way they picking the shidon on top country people them. As well as the CM now that stick the way they don't put a nail, cut a nail away picking the shidon inside class or learn book. For this 21st century country people them for inside place where they call them Mbidu from Gaundere. So we say we enter for the country people. Number 21 day for January. No be now say una go talk say oh ambassador na don't go do some kind. Now live image and that 21 day for January never fan or now the day that will enter for this school we see as well they so picking them for 21st century they suffer their own chair them now stick the way they don't just cross arm where they she done on top. Just imagine your picking go one camera for us. It show go the hot. He go tell say papa must show the hot to but show the hot. You know sabi say he own kind of chair where the she don't see chair where picking the she done for school for more than how many years. So if una see that they come commode that chair then so after 3 years pass for they say hey before the thing you go for air make we show say something we get for change. Even their school self na zinc as well as I saw just saw one time pam they start root all the thing them. Una see the thing where they don't put and they just now country people. That école publique from Bidu where we talk just now. They are chair them picking the fish done show no go hot again. Now that now check that way they so they don't come give for this school picking them. Say they don't see as well they suffer. They don't see where they go through. So now that class what I just shown and I don't see no, they don't come on that thing. Picking the night that show go surprise. Say that she don't now on top different chair. They show don't just surprise. After when they change their chair then. So you see they don't she don't comfortable just now. Now they suffer that way the school don't suffer. So they pass for them before themselves go have people them. They fix chair them, they can get for that picking them where they enjoy now on top the chair country people them inside GS Mbidu. We go remain for up north this time now for north region for Gide. Now for that side we they so Commander Mofo Jude for custom people and we be the head boy for Alcomi. It also continue for the show waiting work with the sending for go do am for north. Now the work with the do am. But this time it began for call army people them too for joining inside this fight. All that carton they want at the CM so now carton them for medicine where we hear say they go buy them for Nigeria. It be the enter for inside Garua and even Okada them and other thing them. Sabi say all the thing them no be na say the medicine they be don't spoil. No be na expired medicine. You understand no? Commander mo for way put hands for ways. He talks say waiting na medicine where the people them they be all let thief and enter for country. And you sabi fine say when you buy the kind of thing then even you where your container come. Now custom after you don't come out of a place you go come out you must to see custom too you pay money where they enter for inside country bank. But the people them they never want pay that money say make it enter country bank. Now we custom put them to the cash am. The medicine it they fine. But just for this fine say just for say the one enter na backside. Now we commander move for it all say, hey, the one no be na what, the one na what in eh? They we no day, and before the one even get her, it be then a fight, shooting to be happen eh? It no be easy at all. As we Tori enter for we here. Inside Far North region for inside Marua just now for Dugoi na the quarter name be that we hear say accident to be passed today on Sunday as we to enter for we here. Okada again. I don't call them how many times. Now Okada accident country people them where he provoke this one way he pass for side for Dugoi and one person he dey way he foot he broke way so army rescue people then so they be run camp for come see as when they go carry the pikin or the person, they take and go for hospital and they talk say na Okada way he throw it for ground. As well I don't talk so, it be make versus with some other Okada according to Tori where he enter inside we hear no person he no die for the accident as we Tori enter for we hear. We go take una just now talk chapter for Corona. According to John Hopkins University, the latest update will get this number 25 day country people them inside January. They tell we say inside the whole world, Corona is then at 99,195,630 total Corona sick people them inside the whole world, or people that have never catch the sick since we come. 54,744,710 cases. People that are already well from the sick since we come inside the whole world, and 2,129,418 people that already died since Corona. He show he was face inside the whole world according to Tori we enter we here. Inside Cameroon here, Minister for Sick People Dr. Manauda Malashi inside the weekend it tell you say 7 people them die for 1 week and they don't see say number for Corona too it don't go for up, especially for region them like littoral, center and north. Then they tell you say 1,607 new cases them inside 1 week. As well Dr. Manauda Banashi he talk for a Twitter, but just so sabi he talk say just now people them for inside this region the way don't call them littoral, center and north. They get for take the thing serious. Make them not the play at all. So afterwards 7 people them die inside 1 week. Minister Terry, how the number for Corona to don't go for up inside we country? It try for talk 29,617 total confirmed cases for Corona sick people them since we the Corona it come for we country. 462 people that don't already die according to Minister for Sick People, and 28,045 people that don't already well from the sick, and case for Corona sick people that they active where they on top sick bed 1,110 people them as we Minister talk, and they tell we say 14 of that people that they on top oxygen. And if you want to look the rate for people that they well for this Corona sick, Minister they talk saying at 95%, and one them at the way where the Corona did knock we for we country 0.9%, 2.8% now the total that for people them the percentage for people that they sleep on top sick bed for sick of this war sick where they call them say Corona. Now concerning this African Nations Championship Shan where it happen for country, Minister Dr. Manauda Malashi he don't talk say fear he no get for day for any man in mind, any person in mind for sick waiting. He say ngomna and calf they walk hand for say waiting make this ndamba a pass fine way no not to know how to stop. So for sick that one SDI way being a strategic nothing where they put them then they check people them anytime and result to they come up quick. So Minister don't talk say make no person no fear for sick say calf and ngomna they work fine for say this Corona no worry then ndamba way it pass inside we country. Now other country they with them too they give their own, so we get plenty of them Nigerian country people them where they there for Cameroon for una sabi say for our own country now 964 new cases where they confirm on Sunday, and total for Nigeria just now 121,566 people them where they already catch a sick since we enter for Nigeria. 97,228 people that already well come up for sick bed since Corona entered there, and 1,504 people that don't die since Corona he enter for Buhari a country. South Africa as well they give we country people them On Sunday, na 8,141 new cases where they confirm and for South Africa say they get the sick. Doctor, they already test 7,993,126 people them. Inside that number where they don't test them, 1,412,986 people that already catch the sick, and 1,230,520 people that don't well from corona for South Africa since we enter for them, and 40,874 people they don't die for South Africa for Zika corona. So now just for tell we say you if you get brother or sister, papa, mama for South Africa or for Nigeria, sabi say the thing too, it dey for the 9 minutes on again for check on yourself before una dey go for that side. One sabi self said today for Group B for this African Nations Championship where they happen, 2 matches go play for 8 o'clock Cameroon time. Libya go play Congo for Japoma. DR Congo go play Niger for Yaoundé for the same time. Sabi say DR Congo dey for number 1 place for this number for Group B with 4 points. We get Niger and Libya 2 points and Congo 1.9 means say the groups also they open. Any man if he's also qualify. If Niger in DR Congo, trouble go day. If Congo in Libya, trouble go day. So now just for tell we say all man he get equal chance for qualify for the group. Usabi say already yesterday Cameroon he played not with Burkina Faso. They don't qualify like number 2 place for Group A, and Mali we knock Zimbabwe 1-0 for Japoma. He qualify for number 1 place inside that group. So just now after the number for Yaoundé yesterday, now they glad this for small man team. Yes, inside Yaoundé, and Sabi say before DR Congo be waka go for Yaoundé where they go play this evening time. They be play some kind of game where be hot, it be strong for their skin for weekend, and they be the play against Libya. They be get for camp for back for can score some 1 sweet goal, and that 1 sweet goal he put them for that number 1 place where they did for Group B, and they play at them too. They Sabi for glad. And just for Sabi country people them say if Democratic Republic for Congo knock Niger today or the draw where they also remain for number 1 place, they go turn back for Japoma, now then go play against with small man team for quarterfinals, and the number 2 person for year he go travel go for Yaoundé for go meet up Mali where he come up for number 1 place for Group A for that side, so for Yaoundé. So now they told you that for this African Nations Championship newspaper them to the day outside waiting it day for before the newspaper they make could take some strong number them where it day on top them. We go start with Horizon newspaper where it day outside this afternoon. Country people them inside Horizon they tell we as we they so army rescue people them motor where they use them for lost fire. Now boy they will gone where they don't attack them according to what Horizon it talk. Horizon to the tell we say the new people them regional president them for Northwest and Southwest they don't swear say waiting say they go give people them waiting with the people them one time say no person you know go put them up as well they go look at the place. You feel it to a concerned National Commission for Bilingualism and Multiculturalism, wait till they don't adopt after their first Ndongame will be passed inside the week we just finished. Other one them Horizon, a carry on for his skin. Another story we will look for inside this afternoon. The Crown, inside the Crown, the Terry Njan division, it don't get the first person where don't die for Zika corona as well the Crown they talk for we. Inside the Crown too, you feel it wait to Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute talk concerning on how they go to give people them a contract for fixed road them them inside we country. The Crown too, it get other to read them concerning Mundeba Council, where you fit for it. This afternoon, another newspaper, now Eden, or the Star newspaper, where they outside country people them inside the Star. 1 billion francs CFA. Money that way they don't put on for ground, say they get for fix that road where they go for slave trade village. For Bimbia, where we don't sing and plenty. You go read Tori 2, where a consign mini part, the number 2 phase for work for 2025, the vision for 2025 of mini part, where they too for inside the Star newspaper. Other to read them, if you read them for the Guardian Post, it tell we Penya were watching the way they pass for inside Norwest this weekend. If you read all that to read them, 4 picking the way they die were just shown now them that, and they were watching the way they pass inside Norwest. Grigori Ntemoyok Mewanu, he don't win again. Chapter say the one commodity like city mayor. Court, he don't talk again for a favor. If you read that chapter inside the Guardian Post or outside, Guardian Post too, he get order to read them for his skin, where you fit for read them country people them. The Post, he try for tell we new big people them for inside regional house or assembly. Number 1 person, president for Norwest. He said no man, I say waiting, no man, he no go talk for we, wait till we get for do nothing, he no go come up for Yarende. We go do wait till we check so if we do them for we own country people them for Norwest. The one for Southwest, he talks everything. We go start work nana so say no nothing, he no go left for back. Now they talk them that as when they put them on top chair, you go read Tori to consign this Bamenda Binet people them too, where they don't talk all their trouble for who and give their condition for how they feel for stop this country Sunday the way they worry them for inside place where they call them Bamenda. The Voice, in the talk, Bamenda army people them keep 4 picking them by mistake. Say they check, say they be Changshu's boy them. If you read that chapter inside the Voice to the tell we as we ma for them and Queen Mami them, they be come out again for road, for cry. On top they were what way this also continue for pass for inside Northwest region. Other to read them day inside the Voice where you fit for read them. This morning time, this afternoon, country people them. In the newspaper, when one of the last newspaper will look for insights in the top, say make you no expect plenty eating again, where you go come up from Yawende, again, as well the eating newspaper the talk. Now one of the talk them that, where the big man for Southwest Regional House of Assembly, he talk for English newspaper them. George Washington, he talk for Joe Biden, you feel read them too, inside eating newspaper. King Sokuju says he own trouble with SZO, you feel also get that chapter inside eating newspaper, where it day outside, and other to read them, country people them. And before we come out, maybe we go talk, congratulate for we cameraman, Equinox story man for that side. So for K-Town, Kumba, Zaibue, we can pass. If I say we could celebrate our own people them too. So Zaibue SSF, we the talk congratulate Mr. and Mrs. with them too. They join hand for inside married for that side. So for Kumba, this weekend we pass for that side. So for inside Meme division now fish. You get that photo. Well, we go take this announce first. We take this announce when a family for Satu, he announce the loss for their Pekin, Joda Guy Emmanuel, 29 years, where he day and he day so, he come up for their house for that side, so for Chang, since Thursday last week, he never turned back again. So the family the beg, any man way he see this man, Guy Emmanuel, say make it try for call the number them for before tele, 677-339-784, 698-195-702 number, or you take it for any gendarme place. This other one in name na Njoacom Blaise and organ the Njoacom family to their nose. This beginning come up for their house, country people them, and he didn't form 2 as well here, and he never turn it back again since we come on house. So they beg any man we see this speaking number for before tele 667-120-874-671-216-327 number them where if you use and call, or you take the picking go for any police or gendarme office or corner. If no be so, bring them for Equinox Story House, plenty dash, it go way too. So Mama Tida, if we talk congratulate now for Nzaibu small for that side for Kumba. We eye and ear for Equinox Story so that side to a weekend way pass. It be fit for B man as if he talk so full man as we talk as he marry with Madame Juan for that side so for inside Kumba. Well, we'll go surely turn back for that thing again maybe. Another time where we go turn back for this side for inside Tori House. So we don't finish Tori for this afternoon. Okay, well, it don't last time. So now Madame Zaibu that and Zaibu SSF will talk for them. Congratulations. Now we eye and ear for that side so for Kumba. So all Tori there they come up for Cape Town. Now they bring them and this weekend we pass. A join hand and we talk congratulate for you, Zaibu, Mr. and Mrs. as well now they continue their life. Tomorrow for 8 o'clock, we go surely turn back for here with Tori them inside Tori House. I want to say big thank you for Danny Warren Zede. He put camera for me before this afternoon. And for backside, we get Zefren Gondi, we get even Marlies, and even Matilda Mamati. We all them be there for backside for CSW Tori. It pass for this side. So if Papa got the green up for 8 o'clock for Tuesday morning time, on a whole I'm tight for outside country.